Is everything okay? What? Why are you freaking out?
What?
Did you open it before you left? What's coming in here? Check under the bed. Do it.
Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Was it opened?
No, I have it locked. But somebody opened this, trying to get to it. Somebody that opened this all week. Somebody's been in here.
Yeah, I know that feeling when you feel like you've just been, like, violated.
Unless it's a ghost.
Ghost face?
Whatever it is, the shadows have been on this wall. And like I can even look in the surveillance camera and see when the closet's shut. But the noises are over there.
Because I've been hearing, like little things here and there. But I just think it's my imagination from no sleeping sometimes.
Bro, how you been acting? You've been sleeping in here.
But that knocking.
I know, we just heard it.
Mr. Killer. Oh, there's a shadow. Okay.
Most of it open. I'm trying to see if anything else is being moved or.
Are you sure no one will under the bed? You never know. Well, we just checked the closet.
I know, but there's a lot of little places you can hide.
Oh.
I know that you that fucking scared the fuck out of me.
Yeah, right? We're talking about all that, and then boom! The knock.
Right, so that means either something fell on its own, right,
and it was just coincidence,
or somebody was in here, or it's a ghost.
Maybe that old man that you say walks around.
I kind of think it might be the old
That
man.
maybe since you've had the door closed and locked, he's locked in there and he can't come out.
Ghost, take me out.
No, not all ghosts can.
But the thing is, it's like he's only laughing when I hear you. It's like you walk by sometimes and you can hear the. And it's like I hear that. I gotta play it for you because
He's
it's
a
the
fucking pervert, then.
It's the weirdest fucking.